Kimbam o mas kilala bilang Ijung mula sa hit Asia novelang Boys Over Flowers. May mga revelasyon tungkol sa pagdating niya sa Pilipinas. September 30, dumating sa bansa si Kimbam para sa isang soft drink ad shoot kasama ang ating very own Maha Salvador. Sa airport pa lamang, di na magkamayaw ang mga diehard fans ng Asia novela at ni Kimbam. July 7, 1989, ipinanganak sa South Korea si Kimbam. Mula pagkabata, pinangarap na nitong maging isang artista. Hilig niyang mag-audition at sumali sa iba't ibang mga star search hanggang sa maging 8th placer siya sa Survival Star Audition kung saan libo-libong mga competitors ang kanyang nakalaban. Napasama na rin si Kimbam sa maraming mga pelikula at TV series tulad ng Unstoppable High Kick, I Like It Hot at Emergency. Pero nakilala siya sa 2008 hit na Boys Over Flowers.
Siguro hindi bad news yun para sa'yo.
Ngayon, eksklusibo, Kimbam haharap sa dabas para ilantad ang lahat ng kaabang-abang na revelasyon.
Mga kapamilya, kasama po natin for the very first time sa The Buzz at for the very first time dito sa Pilipinas, yung talagang inaabangan ng lahat at inaabangan ng mga fans niya. Let's all welcome Kimbam. Hello, Anyong. Yepuda. It's very Yepuda pala. Maganda. Oh yeah, you're very cute. It's your first time in the Philippines, and what do you think about our country? I know it's not the best time to come because, of course, it's been raining and, you know, with the typhoon, but we're very happy that you still made it here in spite of everything that's been coming on.
필리핀에 처음 왔는데도 이렇게
Although it's been raining,
비도 많이
the
오고
typhoon has been
태풍도
passed and
지나갔음에도
everything,
불구하고
but
너무나 많은 분들이
everyone has
반갑게
been
또
welcomed
오시면서
with full hearts, so he's very grateful for that. And the schedule, it's been very tight and hectic. So for the next time, if it allows, you know, he would like to have a more relaxed schedule so that he can have more time with people.
Next time you come during the summer, because we have the most beautiful beaches, are you going to be concentrating more on being a singer or an actor?
아무래도 제가 앨범을 내는 이유는 이제
He'd rather focus on acting.
Okay.
So for singing, that was more of like just showing the gratitude. Then he will be focusing more on acting.
On acting. Okay, what are any of your future projects? Do you plan on doing more soap operas, film? What would you like to concentrate on?
우선 제가 필리핀에 오기 바로 전날까지 드라마 촬영
For the future plans, actually, the day before, up to the last day, he was coming in here, flying in here. He had the shooting, the last shooting of Dream.
Of Dream,
Yes, and it was actually aired in Korea, the last show. So for now, he would like to take a break at the moment and focusing more on visiting the fans in other countries.
Do you consider Dream your biggest project as of now?
드림은 지금 촬영이 끝나서
This is right after the Boys Over Flowers, and he just finished Dream, and he also finished shooting one movie. So he's very, at the moment, physically, mentally exhausted. So he would more like to focus on wrapping up and see where the life takes from now on.
The Buzz. To say The Buzz.
The Buzz.
Okay. Thank you so much.
At bukas sa Rufa and I, abangan ang iba pang mga revelasyong magpapakilig at ikatutuwa ng kanyang mga fans.
Any girlfriend? Is your heart beating right now? Do you know Dara Park?
Yeah.
Because is she a big hit in Korea right now? And how's your relationship with her?
Hi, Rufai. Hi.